Hi guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Okay guys, today I'm going to show you two products which a brand has sent me. So the brand which I am talking about is Indus Valley. They have sent me their two products. So I'm going to show you today the products. I have not tried the products. I will try with you. So guys, let's get started with the video. But before starting, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Please hit that notification bell right next to it so that whenever I upload a new video, you are notified. Now let's get started with the video. Okay guys, so Indus Valley has sent me their two products. So the first product is their Bio-Organic 100% Aloe Vera Gel. So this is the gel, you can see this is how it looks like. The packaging is very good. So this is how it is, 100% aloe vera gel for young and radiant skin and hair. So you all know aloe vera gel has so many benefits to our skin, for our hair. You can use aloe vera gel for a hair mask. You can use aloe vera gel for your base, for your makeup. It has so many benefits. So this is the first product they have sent me, you can see. So moving on, I'm going to show you the second product which they have sent me. So they have sent me this you can see this is a Indus Valley Bio-Organic DIY kit. This is a DIY kit. It's 100% natural, and this they have sent me body polishing and scrubbing pack. They have 26 DIY packs, so you can order it. They have different types of pack for skin and for hair. So you just have to make the pack and just have to apply it, and it's 100% natural. So you can see this is how the packaging looks like. So I'm going to open you and show. So they have sent me all this. So this is how the pack looks like. So it's a DIY pack. So you have to make a pack. I will show you how to do it. So it has a recipe book inside it. So all instructions are given. You just have to follow it and make your own pack. So this is very affordable, and the packaging is also very good. You can see you can use it up to 6 applications. That is good, and it is worth for the price. So now let's open it and let's make it and let's try it. You have saw how I did it. Now I'll just apply it on my hands. This is a body polishing and scrubbing pack. So we'll just apply it. It has some essential oils. It's moisturizing as well. You have to scrub it for a few minutes and then wash it with water. So now I'm going to wash it with water and show you. Okay guys, so you can see I have washed my hands. So now I'm going to apply this aloe vera gel where I have done my scrubbing. So let's do it. So this is how the aloe vera gel looks like. So I'm going to apply this aloe vera gel. You can see, wow. So I'm really loving the product. Okay guys, so you can see how my skin is looking. So it's really looking very shiny, you can see, because it has some essential oils and salt which really help me to remove my dead skin and moisturize as well. It's a really very nice pack. You can give it a try. They have more 26 DIY kits, so you can make it yourself, and it's very affordable also. So you can just try it. So I will provide a link in my description box, so you can go ahead and buy that. Okay guys, I hope you like this. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. Please share and like my videos. Bye guys, take care, and do come here for more such videos.